Hello everyone, welcome to Suzhou Jingci. It was founded in 1999 and today I will show you guys our factory. We specialize in the production of ceramic parts made from aluminum, zirconium, silicon carbide, silicon nitride for more than 20 years. This is the shaping workshop. These are different shaping machines, including isostatic pressure machines and mechanic force shaping machines. These are the shaped products such as shafts, bearings, plungers. Now I'm in the sintering workshop. The next shaped products are put on the conveyor belt and sent into the tunnel kiln for sintering. After about 30 hours, the products are coming out from the tunnel kiln and they are like this, hard ceramics. Now we can see the workers, they are doing the quality check. Because the ceramic products after sintering are very hard, so the best way for them is to grinding. You can see the different kinds of machines. These machines are grinding the outer diameter. These machines are grinding the length. Finally, they are polished. Look, the shiny surface with roughness less than 0.25 micron. These machines are grinding the charcoal. These automatic production lines are for inner diameter of ceramic bearings and ceramic plungers. Now I'm in the inspection room and here is the quality checking devices such as roughness meters, micrometers, 2D projector, hardness test device, cylindricity device, fracture test device. These are our sample products. These are plungers. These are ceramic shafts. These are ceramic pumps. These are ceramic pistons. We can offer different shaped ceramic products.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.